What's up, everybody? It's Raf in the Rafcave. Hope you're having a great Sunday morning. And all right, so this video here is an unboxing and an attempt to install the new Ring Doorbell Pro. I've always wanted to buy a smart doorbell, so I have the ability to see who's at the door, be able to communicate with whoever's at the door, and just know what's going on in front of my house. I've always wanted to have smart video devices, so eventually I like to get some more cameras around the house to be able to see what's going on. And what's great about having a smart doorbell, which you're able to see on your phone or tablet or whatnot, is that when someone's at the door, you're not peeking around the corner and moving your little window shades. Who's at the front door? You don't have to do that no more. You'd be like, let's see who's at my door. Bam, right? That's so cool. So I chose the Ring because I have a lot of Alexa devices and Fire Sticks, and so with Amazon they've partnered better with Ring. If you're more of a Google user or Google owner of multiple Google stuff, you probably want to go with the Nest. So after back and forth, I think the majority of my devices are more Ring centric, so I'm going to stick with the Ring. With this pack here, you get the Ring Pro doorbell. You also get the what is this guy here? Some kind of extra external doorbell ringer that you can put on an electrical outlet, so it gives you more volume. And I'm super excited to get this. I've always wanted to have that security for the front door, so I'm able to look on my phone anywhere in the world basically to see who's at my door and be able to communicate. That's just so dang cool. And eventually I want to get some cameras around the house, so it's awesome. All right, well, I'm going to do an unboxing of this and hook it up. Hopefully it's easy, because I've read and saw it's pretty easy to do. So I'm going to hook this up, and I think this is going to be Rafcave approved. So definitely check it out. Thanks for viewing my channel. If you're new, I'm all about home theater, trailer reactions, gaming content, just cool stuff like that. If you like that thing, please consider subscribing. Like this video, comment below if you're into this and if you like it. And I'm super excited to get this installed, so let's go. All right, guys, so here's the front of the box. Ring Video Doorbell Pro, hardwired video doorbell. So that means basically is you want to make sure you have a powered doorbell. That way you're able to use the same power cables into the Ring. So we got HD video, which is important, 1080p video, two-way talk, advanced motion detection, so you're able to set the zone so when someone walks up, it triggers it and then starts recording, and it gives you that alert. Theft protection is awesome, so if someone steals this thing, they replace it for free, which is awesome. Hardware installation, of course, make sure the power is there, and of course Wi-Fi connected. Yeah, I cannot wait to have this on my phone to be able to see what's going on. Yeah. So there's the side of the box there. Power requirements. So hopefully I have enough. Hopefully I have enough juice to power this thing up, right? On the back here, Ultimate Ring Experience, 1080p video, motion zones, two-way talk, night vision. Comes with the Chime Pro. That's what it's called. Chime Pro Wi-Fi repeater. So you can record, review, and share videos with the protection plan. I think it's like 30 bucks a year. Free 30-day trial. That's pretty cool. Try it out. Yeah. Ooh, interchangeable faceplates. That's really nice. You have different colors. That's great. Okay. And on this side, yep, invented, loved it. Yep. Convenience, #1. Security, peace of mind. Fantastic. Black pin. All right, let's get this thing opened up. Looks like it's just a single tape right there. Ah, there's two. Slide that out there. Oh, snap. What we got inside here? Oh, say hello to Ring. I look like these are all the instruction booklets to how to set this up and stuff. Very nice. Read that later. All right, here we go. Oh, nice. Pull off this little cover there. Really? Get up there. There you go. Okay, so this is the extender. A couple little antennas there. And I'm sure you got a little power supply that goes right here to put on your wall. Very nice. It's a cool looking device. Oh, these are cool. Look at these different faceplates. Very nice. Oh, I know which one I'm using. Boom. Let's see what we got here. Looks like all the installation tools you need to hook this up. Power adapter for this guy. Boom. So we got the screws for the doorbell on the wall here. Very nice. More screws. I think this is this. Oh, you got a drill bit if you need to drill more holes into the wall to fit this guy. It's like this is the extension for the actual doorbell outside your home. If you need to extend the wire. All kinds of goodies, all kinds. Whoa. All right, so this guy, this is what you put inside the doorbell case or cover inside your home where the ringer is. Install this so it powers up this up outside. So very nice. This is the newer updated one too, which I'm glad I got. And put this guy together. No. Got that. And alternate wire for the Pro Power Kit. You probably won't need this. Okay, probably won't need this. And now, the main event. The Ring doorbell. Look at that. Nice. Click, click. I see you. Sweet. So this is where you hook up those two power cords outside. And then we gotta screw that into the wall. And the final piece inside here. What is this? This must be the wall template. Oh, I like this. I like how you can angle it if you need to outside, so it get the best angle to see. I'm probably going to use this one so I can turn it more that way. Very cool. I like that. All right, guys. So there. Once your Ring Pro installed, the light. Okay. So hopefully I get to this part without any issues. We'll see what happens outside. All right, guys, there's the unboxing of the Ring Pro. I am going to start installing this and take you guys with me, all right? Here we go. All right, guys, first thing you want to do is make sure you turn off the fuse or the breaker to the doorbell. Just, just to be safe, You don't want none of that happening right there. All right, so the first thing you want to do, take your doorbell cover off. And there's your two power. It doesn't matter which one. What you want to do now is take this and then connect it to those two wires. And then when you connect it there, you got a little sticky on the back so you can put it and tuck it in on the side. And just make sure you're not touching the ringers at top or bottom. That's all. All right, I'm going to get this installed. Okay, guys, so I installed the Ring Power Kit here. Got it integrated with the existing screws, and now we can can put this back on here. There it is, guys. Simple as that. On to the next step. Alright guys, got the Chime Pro installed. I put it basically right next to the door. So it's pretty easy. Just scan the barcode behind it with your phone, and then it walks you through the setup. Very simple. It takes about 2 minutes. Alright, moving on. Alright guys, so now we're outside, and I'm going to start to take the old doorbell ringer off and install the new hotness called Ring Pro. Here we go. Alright guys, so I got this removed, and you see the 2 wires there? Those are the 2 wires we want to hook up to the new one. Let's go. Alright guys, so what you want to do before you start installing it is take off the cover, take off the stickers, make sure you have enough voltage, and then on the side you want to scan the barcode, and then I'll walk you through the setup in order to get this hooked up with those 2 wires and then mounted. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, I have it installed, and not installed, but connected. I'm about to put it flush, screw it in, and get things going. Oh, I can't wait. Alright guys, got the screws in, and now adding the faceplate. Alright, got it installed, hooked up. Got all the screws in place. It's not going anywhere. It's locked in. All right, now I'm going to go hit the breaker, and hopefully all goes well, and I see that ring light turn on, and we're in business. All right, I'll be right back.
The instructions in the Ring app to continue.
Just hit the breaker. So far, so good. I hope things go well. All right, I'm going to go through the app and keep setting this up. All right, I'll be right back. Well, guys, I have it installed. Here I am, Raf in front of his home. I love it. So you can talk to somebody, you could send a message, all kinds of cool stuff. You can set the zones so you know how much motion you want. It's just amazing. I love this thing. Alright guys, I give this thing a thumbs up. I'm going to have fun with this. Recommend you guys go grab one to keep your home safe and know what's going on. Hey guys, before I go, this is the app that I have set up. It's got a live look of the doorbell and the front door, and it's been great so far. I've gotten motion updates that are accurate. I've gotten the doorbell that rings in the house on both the chime and the regular doorbell. And then I also added the Alexa skill for Ring, and now all my Echo Dots in the house also speak the alerts, which is fantastic. So guys, a wonderful experience hooking this up, and Skol.